inyam na lini ji ke thalapu machini idumishmi program iga na ho ene hitando aho na keji hari epralo buni chief minister shri Pema Khandu me laga HR ayaru machimru metando ya mahwa is coming district ne 0 atikoma ini imu chigaba ayawaya government me la kaprita paung hawe laba HR paung he India district administration mane graji na laga aidone chief minister me sigaba alambro ge bane tando inuda lagane ekobe lahega ichibe ayo tando ega mahwa ahaso pata agujimna laga taho north eastern atikoma ayo me tando egene ayaru machimbru egeme ondoba aidone buneba anihun imu waya machime Arunachal Atikoma khini imu shigaba aya mahwa Ministry of Home Affairs MHA me laga Bay of Bengal machi amaya pressure me normal gumi ne tando ayo ba egada laga ichiwe machi tando ndageme Murkong Select Pasigat BG Railway Truhimi bada laga 4-lane highway Rukshin Jampani man jogame tando epakhiane aji anapra amaya alomro jimuko ya taiba yaba paglam atiko lower Diwang Valley mabu tando ilikhi wea machi imbrue lokea babuda laga meteorological department me North East India ma ichibu iu ba ayo metando buda laga Raj Bhawan Itanagar mane Governor Arunachal Pradesh retired KT Pandayak me Oloso Rajputana Rifle Khini Grenadier aidone asuhunke Assam Rifle wea honor ha bakha aya hoa Governor me laga duty prane jo line of actual control LAC aidone border prane atute gai buda lane tando noroga buni chief minister shri Pema Khandu me phase 1 sector wise government quarter me aji nawe da lagane ayopwe ha ba a sector Itanagar ma bahachi quarter wea shianagene me modern quarter multi storied laiga 18 type 2 18 type 3 2 BHK flat aji gaweda laga echa gebane rupees anihu crore paung sanction ha ba echa quarter ma group B aidone group C government shakule joya alomro me jigayewe buni chief minister shri Pema Khandu me G+2 aidone hamuko oko ge Oju mission school papunalama ayopwe ha ba aidone G+2 skill development multipurpose oko ge Naharlagun ma foundation alafra ti ha ba ayamachini chief minister me laga Oju mission he baha late bini yanga me ajinyam bachida lakega aidone chief secretary o chichaga gene school ge ba grant in aids paung hau chipu atusueda lake oa buni deputy chief minister shri Chonamen me Malokaso Lokmata Devi Ahilya Holkar Itanagar mane aya ini enaga do gibakha aya ho deputy chief minister me laga government shakolema athu yom ne entrepreneurship tourism aidone private sector ma jogen me tando hindu himi aichi khada lakega aidone Ahilya Holkar he keba gebane tando huiga imu aidone India gebane tando jimjom joiga imuda bu lakega Central Bureau of Communication CBC Regional Office Itanagar ne Ministry of Information and Broadcasting Government of India में आशुआते ने इनेगेची special outreach program JNK Public School Itanagar ma akaga kha aidone Tawang Atikoma bu Community Health Center CHC a Primary Health Center PHC ma bu program enaga chikha echa hai students public waya sada biri du ham में jota geba prai gumi chipu awareness hangai da laga Leparada ne isyang meya alomro me hangpang dada memorial trophy HDMT final ma pega ba aya ma hwa yaku alomro ma kra dadi ne kamle me volleyball taroma ma final pega ba da laga etanin da kra ho ai ma ondo ba